My dad had a small shop, started working for him, and I was good at it. It was fun. I enjoyed the atmosphere, working with the guys. We had a lot of fun, so kind of stuck with it. We started with one location in Midvale, Utah, small gas station converted to a body shop, and grew from there. I would say probably 40 years. I think we do a couple of hundred cars a month at each location. So we have car aligner, the measuring system, frame racks, all their welding equipment, pulse welders, MIG, MAG, silicon bronze. I think we installed our first car aligner system about 10 years ago. We bought car aligner for the Tesla certification. Service was great, machine works great, and then we've bought a couple since then. Been super happy. Well, I think if you want the job done correctly, you got to use what's required. I didn't realize how much it would help us until we put our first truck up on the frame machine and measured it and pulled it. It was quite a bit different. Everything's about time. If we're doing something faster and more efficient, then yeah, we're making more money. I think it's well worth the investment. In the long run, it pays for itself. It's a system that allows you to do the job correctly the first time. We're like everybody else. We want to make sure we're doing something right the first time, and that there's nothing that's going to come back and hurt us as a shop or an organization. So yeah, that's all critical.